Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about a project management tool I came across called Hassl. It's in beta, but what's cool is you can sign up now and get a free account if you see this video and you move quickly. And as you're going to see in the video, it is not a hassle to set up at all. So stay tuned. Hey, this is David with Tech Smart Boss here with another video. Today, I'm going to do a video on a beta product. It's called Hassl. Hassl.co. And I'm from the South, so I know exactly how you pronounce that, Hassl. And you can tell by their tagline here, collaboration without the BS. These guys are straight to the point, and they're saying collaboration is a hassle. So they got a very clear marketing message here. I love it. Uh, what I'm going to look at these guys is one, it's free. And two, what they're doing here is they're going to give you a standard account for free while they're figuring out their beta. So you'll see here, first 1,000 adopters have been amazing. So they're going to go to the first 5,000 users that register are going to get standard accounts free forever. So who doesn't like free stuff forever? I mean, come on. And it looks like a pretty interesting tool. It's project management. We talk about a lot of project management tools at Tech Smart Boss because you got to be organized. You can't let things fall through the cracks. You got a lot of things going as a Tech Smart Boss. So you got to make sure your team is communicating and on point and you know what's going on. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up, see what Hassl is all about, and let's go through their onboarding. Now it is beta, so we're gonna give them benefit of the doubt if things are a little not working out quite as well. But we're gonna see how smooth these guys are. They got 1,000 users so far, so I'm expecting this is gonna be pretty nice. So I just put in my email. Okay, we have an onboarding. Very nice. Let's go ahead, give them our name. They want to know my role. So, hey, you know why I like this? They're doing some segmentation behind the scenes with their marketing. That's always a good thing. They're learning about their user base. They're getting some value here. And they're probably going to segment me into some sort of executive mailing list. Create a new organization. All right, almost there. They're giving me a little feedback. I'm going to go ahead and put Tech Smart Boss as my organization. And look at this. This is a nice feature. Allow anyone with Tech Smart Boss email to join. That's collaboration right there. You want your team in there and you want them to have a smooth process. I just registered this company, and now anybody who registers is going to be associated with my organization. Let's go ahead and save those details and see where it takes us. Success, and I'm in there. And they even have a little bit of an onboarding tour here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to take the time to read all these because you know I don't do that. The product has to be intuitive enough for me to understand it. Well, look at this. Now, this is pretty interesting. Light UI, dark UI. Now, dark UI user interface. Supposedly, it saves energy with monitors. You're saving the earth if you use a dark user interface. Some people like it. Maybe the contrast is easier for them to read it. Myself personally, I don't like the dark UI, and I really don't understand people who do very much. I'm a light UI guy, but that's pretty. I like that. That's pretty cool. All right, let's get going. All right, so I'm in their dashboard. First things I see are pretty straightforward. I've got some call to actions here. I can make new projects. I got some messaging features here. I can invite my team, always pretty important. And I got a dashboard that's telling me, they don't have any data on me yet, but I can see some toggle switches up here, which look pretty cool. Let's look over here. I've got projects, active, complete. I can make templates. That right there is a good sign because you have recurring projects, repeating projects. You can always have a template. There's another call to action for new projects. I can do my team here. Let's jump right in and make a new project. See how that works. I'm just going to call it website redesign. If you listen to my latest podcast, everybody pretty much needs a website redesign if you're not getting what you need out of your website. So let's make a little quick project on that. Parent folder, let's put it in active. And now this looks I like this. You can have internal only and you can invite guests. Guests sound like something that can be maybe free. So that sounds pretty good right there. I'm going to do an internal one. End date, let's say I want to have this done by Thanksgiving here in the U.S. I don't even know when that is, but I'm going to put the 21st because it's always the fourth Thursday in November. And let's say yep. I like that. Yep. To keep the terminology real. This product is definitely looking pretty real right now. All right, so I'm in the project. Got my due date here. Look like a timeline. It's going to probably show me as I get closer to that. I'm assuming that's going to fill in. My project is empty. I need to create some milestones. So let's see. First, I got to get my design approved. Um, then I got to, let's hit yep on that. Okay, let's create another milestone. Then I got to do my development. Let's hit yep on that. Then I gotta get customer approval. That's probably gonna be my milestones on this. I'm assuming I'm doing this for a customer. I'm probably doing it for myself. All right. Now I can already tell within there I got my design. Okay, let's say let's contract someone to do the designs. Let's just see what happens when I make that. Pretty simple. This is nice. I can tell by I can move and drag these around pretty easily. Let's edit it, see what I can do. Okay, that's editing the name. Pretty nice. Now, I saw on their website they got this nice kind of spreadsheet type interface where I can just hover over these tasks and make changes. Maybe I'm in progress with that. Maybe I want to set a due date. So this is working pretty smooth. People, I'm the only person. I'm going to assign it to me. Let's click in there. Okay, and then I can click in there and you'll see there's a note capability. I can upload some files. I can change status. I can do all sorts of stuff. This is, hey, this is basic project management 101, simple, well designed. I mean, I'm going to tell you, get it while it's beta. Get in here and get these free accounts because if they continue to evolve this product, it's going to be pretty nice. Let's go back to that dashboard, see what's going on. All right, it updated. I've got a project in progress. I've got a task here assigned to myself in 2 days. All that happened just from that little quick thing. Let's check out what's going on up here. To-do list. So what is this? Okay, I don't have. It looks like I can. Looks like a personal little to-do list here. I'm gonna just say what is this and add it. See what happens. Ah, I got like a little checklist I could do here. Okay, this looks like a personal thing. Now, where they have to go with this, I'll tell you what I'm not seeing. Let's look under the account and see if there's any integrations. Okay, so this is probably what they're working on now while it's beta. I don't see where I can tie this in with the rest of my ecosystem. I don't see any Google Calendar integration. I don't see any Zapier integration. I'm not seeing where I can probably send email. There's a messaging component. Let's see what that does. Messages, new message. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of like a little chat. Bet you I could do a at David maybe and see myself. Maybe not yet. There's probably some way to refer to other people. Let's just type myself in. No, I'm not seeing that, but it looks like that's some kind of internal chat type of tool. But they got to get the integrations worked out. But just on what's going on here, this looks pretty cool. I'll tell them. I don't know where they're located, but they're not in the U.S. because they're talking about 57 degrees Celsius. We probably should understand Celsius, but we're Fahrenheit here. We don't understand that. But they do know it's raining outside, so they got my geolocation pretty good right there. So they just got to recognize in the U.S. we do Fahrenheit, we don't do Celsius. But this is a really solid product. It's got a lot of potential. It's got a lot of great features here. And I would say if this is something that you might need in the future, get it now. You get a standard account for free now. They might come out with some of the integrations and stuff as part of their paid plan, but you've got something that you can start with right now and work with. Definitely if you're a solopreneur and you need something like this, this is a pretty good tool here that you can use to collaborate with your team and set up those external projects to collaborate with external users. All right, I'm going to wrap this one up. I like Hassl. Hassl is not a hassle at all to get started with. If you like this video, check out the rest of our videos on our YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe. We put out one a week. Check out our Facebook page. Go out to techsmartboss.com, see what we're doing, and join our community. Talk to you next video.